Welcome to Auto Drive, your go-to channel for the latest and most in-depth reviews of cars, trucks, and automotive innovations. If you're passionate about driving or curious about the future of the auto world, make sure you subscribe right now so you never miss a video. Today, we dive into a legendary name making a futuristic return, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia, a modern interpretation of a timeless classic. Stick with us till the end, because we've got everything you need to know, from engine specs to hidden luxury features and exclusive design details that make this car a unique presence on the road. Starting under the hood, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia comes equipped with a powerful and refined engine lineup. Depending on the trim level, it may feature a turbocharged inline-4 or a more performance-oriented V6 setup. Displacement ranges around 2.0 to 3.5 liters, delivering an impressive balance between efficiency and acceleration. Horsepower figures are expected to sit between 180 and 300 horsepower, giving this coupe enough muscle to back up its sleek looks. Torque output is tuned for a responsive throttle experience, making both city driving and highway cruising equally enjoyable. Moving to the transmission, Volkswagen offers a smooth shifting 7-speed dual-clutch automatic option, while purists may appreciate the availability of a 6-speed manual in select trims. This provides drivers with a choice that suits their individual preferences, whether they value control or convenience. Power is sent to the wheels via a front-wheel drive setup in the base variant, while higher trims may include an all-wheel drive option for enhanced traction and handling dynamics. The interior of the 2026 Karmann Ghia combines nostalgic cues with modern design language. With a 2+2 seating configuration, the vehicle comfortably accommodates 2 adults in the front and offers practical space in the rear for shorter journeys. The seats are wrapped in premium materials, ranging from soft touch cloth in the entry-level model to fine Nappa leather in the high-end trims. Interior comfort features include heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, ambient lighting, and even a heated steering wheel for those cold winter mornings. On the outside, the 2026 Karmann Ghia proudly showcases its coupe body style with an aerodynamic silhouette and retro-inspired curves. Its length sits around 174 inches, with a width of roughly 70 inches and a low-slung height of just under 55 inches. This gives the car a sporty and elegant presence, reminiscent of the original Ghia while embracing modern proportions. The wheelbase extends approximately 105 inches, offering a planted stance and improved interior space. Signature design elements include the oval-shaped grille, sleek LED headlamps, flush door handles, and an optional panoramic sunroof that adds an upscale touch. Handling and ride quality are top priorities in this new generation. The Karmann Ghia features an independent suspension system, fine-tuned for both comfort and sportiness. Performance-oriented trims may include sport shocks and adjustable dampers, allowing drivers to tailor their driving experience. Steering is precise thanks to an electric rack and pinion setup, and the lightweight chassis ensures nimble maneuverability around tight corners and urban environments. Braking performance is just as crucial, and Volkswagen delivers with ventilated disc brakes on all 4 wheels. Brake sizes vary across trims, with the High Performance Edition featuring larger rotors for better stopping power. This setup ensures smooth deceleration and confident control in both daily commuting and spirited driving scenarios. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Karmann Ghia doesn't compromise. Standard, across the range are multiple airbags, including front, side, and curtain airbags for optimal occupant protection. The anti-lock braking system ensures stability under emergency stops, while electronic stability control helps maintain traction during challenging road conditions. Optional driver assist technologies may include blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, rear cross traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking. Infotainment is modernized without losing the charm of analog simplicity. The base model includes a touchscreen display with Bluetooth and USB connectivity, while premium trims offer a larger display with integrated navigation and wireless smartphone mirroring. A high-end audio system, possibly tuned by a renowned brand, ensures crystal clear sound throughout the cabin. Optional upgrades might include a CD player for audiophiles and satellite radio for long drives. Additional features that make the Karmann Ghia stand out include cruise control for highway ease, power windows and locks for convenience, and a power sunroof that adds natural light and ventilation. The luxury trims may come with upscale enhancements like wood trim on the dashboard, chrome accented knobs, and stitched leather door inserts. These small touches create a refined and welcoming cabin experience that feels tailored for enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. Some variants of the 2026 Karmann Ghia may also come equipped with cutting-edge technology features such as integrated GPS navigation, voice-controlled assistant systems, and wireless charging pads. Special edition packages could feature unique paint options, badging, and interior color schemes that pay tribute to the original Karmann Ghia heritage. Perhaps one of the most exciting aspects of this vehicle is the way Volkswagen has managed to blend timeless styling with present-day performance and comfort. Notable updates for 2026 include redesigned LED lighting signatures, an updated infotainment interface with over-the-air updates, and lightweight aluminum elements in the chassis for improved efficiency. All of this comes together to deliver a coupe that's nostalgic in spirit but thoroughly modern in execution. With a starting price expected to be around $34,000 and climbing up to $48,000 for the fully loaded variants, the 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia offers great value for what it delivers: iconic design, engaging driving, and refined luxury. Available in multiple trims, including a base model, a mid-level comfort edition, and a top-tier performance version, there's a Karmann Ghia tailored for every kind of driver. So if you're a fan of classic automotive design brought to life with modern-day engineering, the 2026 Karmann Ghia deserves a spot on your shortlist. From its spirited engine options and beautifully crafted interior to its advanced safety features and timeless styling, this coupe is more than just a car, it's a statement. Thanks for watching this in-depth review on Auto Drive. If you enjoyed the video and want more honest, detailed breakdowns of upcoming vehicles, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow and brings more automotive content your way. Let us know in the comments what you think about the return of the Karmann Ghia. Until next time, keep driving forward.